I was studying Yankee ticket pricing in Shea Stadium as well with the Mets and the Giants. I don't know if you're aware of it, but the New York area, which has four sports teams, big teams, the Jets and the Giants and the Yankees and the Mets, baseball and football, in the next year or so is going to have three brand new stadiums for these four teams. And when something like that happens, what happens is the owners take advantage of the opportunity to increase prices and really give it to the fans who have been faithful through the years. So let me just read one item here to you. Tickets for the best seats at the 85-year-old Yankee Stadium, which sold for $1,000 a seat this season, will jump at the new ballpark to $2,500. Those seats, which were $1,000, the top seats at Yankee Stadium this year in the old stadium, will go to $2,500 in the new stadium. In other areas of the stadium, they will range from $135 to $500 a piece for season tickets. That's what you'll pay per game if you buy a season ticket. $135 to $500 for season tickets. Prices for single game tickets, which range from $14 to $400 this season, will be released later. And if you look at Shea Stadium, which is called Citi Field, they're naming it after a corporation in town so they can pick up 15, 20 million for advertising by naming it after a corporation. The best seats at Citi Field, which cost $276 at Shea Stadium this season, will soar to $495, which is almost a doubling, with other season tickets ranging from $125 to $225. This is crazy. Not only that, but they're going to charge people who have season tickets for years, for decades. They're going to charge them a certain amount of money for the right to have the season, the rights to have the season tickets in future years. This will be independent of your actual purchase of the season tickets. So some of these rights may go for $20,000 per seat. In essence, you might, if you have 4 or 5 season tickets, you might wind up paying $100,000 to the Giants in order to have the rights to repurchase your season tickets in the new stadium for the next whatever number of years. You get nothing for this. In essence, what they're doing is the Giants are required to pay a certain amount of money towards the new stadium, and they're going to do it by absolutely gouging the season ticket holder. This is, to say the least, unconscionable, avaricious, greedy. Thank you and have a great day.